Problem number 43. Even though it seems to be very lengthy problem, it is very easy problem actually. So given an orthogonal matrix, they have given A matrix, then A into A transpose, first find A into A transpose, then do inverse of that, then there will be some option. No, if you are going that way, that is wrong. How you have to proceed for this is A into A transpose, as we know what is the property I. I inverse is what? Again I. So which option I have I? I means what? 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So which option is seeming like this? Option B. So option B is correct. Problem number 44. If for A is, they have given A as some matrix 1 tan x minus tan x 1. So then determinant of A transpose A inverse. They are saying determinant of A transpose into A inverse. So I can break like this: A transpose into A inverse. First find out determinant of A transpose. A transpose means what? A transpose, first find out A transpose is what? 1 tan x, rows into columns, columns into rows is called as transpose, as you know, 1. So find determinant of A transpose. A transpose is AD minus BC, 1 plus tan square x. So what you will get now? Secant square x. We can call it as secant square x. Then determinant of A inverse. Determinant of A inverse. First find A inverse. How will you find A inverse? Suppose if there is some matrix, remember this thing. If there is some matrix A which is A, B, C, D, 2 cross 2 matrix, then A inverse can be written as 1 divided by det A into dA. Change these two things and change the symbol, minus B minus C. Okay, remember this formula. If you want to find inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix, you have to find like this. Now by using that formula, can you tell me what is A inverse of this matrix? A inverse is equal to 1 by det A is 1 plus tan square x, that is secant square x, into D is 1, A is 1, minus tan x, this will become minus tan x, this will be tan x. Now determine det of this. So det means 1 by secant square x is okay. This will again become 1 plus tan square x because AD minus BC. So det inverse can be written as 1 plus tan square x by secant square x. So total, multiply these two, A transpose, det A transpose into det A inverse transpose. So det A transpose A inverse is equal to det A transpose is secant square x into 1 plus tan square x is again secant square x by secant square x. Secant square cancel. We will get answer as secant square x. So what is correct? Option A is correct. Then problem number 45. From here itself we can solve. What is problem number 45? By seeing you can tell AD minus BC, find the det, and after finding det, what will be the correct option? What will be the correct option? Okay, you have to use this formula. Actually, this formula is for A inverse. This is the formula for A inverse. 1 by, if you have A, B, C, D as matrix, then this should be done. So A inverse, now I am doing 1 by det A first. AD minus BC, 7 minus 10 minus 3. So minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 outside AD minus BC. Then D is here, A should be replaced by D, 7. Then minus B, minus 2, minus 5, 1. Now multiply minus inside, 1 by 3, minus 7, 2, 5, minus 1. Minus 7, 2, 5, minus 1. Option A is correct. Hope you got this. Then problem number 46. Problem number 46, what is that? The product of matrices P, Q, whole inverse P. Okay, if you are seeing this thing, I will tell you one property of matrix. A, B, C whole inverse for matrix can be written as C inverse, B inverse, A inverse. If you have A, B, C, D whole inverse, then that can be written as D inverse, C inverse, B inverse, A inverse. That means reverse manner. if you have PQ whole inverse P, that can be written as Q inverse P inverse P. P inverse P is I, so Q inverse into I, that is again Q inverse. Q inverse into I is Q inverse into I is Q inverse. So which option? Option B is correct.